The Tumbleweed Worm Feast is a low-maintenance, in-ground worm farm that's perfect for time-poor gardeners who want to turn their kitchen scraps into free organic fertiliser. Easy to set up, with strong and reliable Australian design, manufactured from 100% recycled plastic, the Worm Feast is the perfect way to set up a sustainable waste management program at home. You can enrich your garden soil with beautifully composted kitchen scraps. To assemble your Tumbleweed Worm Feast, take two sections of the body and with the wide ends facing upwards, push them together like so. Take the third section and lock the lugs into place on one side, then pull that third section outward to complete the circle and lock the last two lugs into their receptor holes. Then put the lid on and twist it to lock it into place over its locking lugs. You're now ready to install your Worm Feast into its final position in your garden soil. For more comprehensive instructions, watch our full Worm Feast video on this site or follow the instruction manual that comes with your Worm Feast. You'll find this product in the home garden aisle in your local Bunnings store. Happy worm farming.